You may face situations every day in which you are exposed to harmful bacteria, viruses, or other dangerous pathogens. While you are working, you can't stop to wash your hands, your face, or other areas of your body that have been exposed to body fluids. Portable, convenient, and easy to use, MyClyns is a revolutionary new product that allows you to take action immediately upon exposure to dangerous microorganisms. MyClyns was designed with EMS, fire, police, corrections, and healthcare personnel in mind. This training video will show you how to use MyClyns, when it should be used, and how you should dispose of the product. According to the Center for Disease Control, an exposure incident is defined as a specific eye, mouth, other mucous membrane, non-intact skin, or parenteral contact with blood, or other potentially infectious materials that results from the performance of an employee's duties. According to a study published in the Annals of Epidemiology in 2006, the overall exposure rate for a paramedic is 21.6%. And while no data has been published for fire, police, and corrections officers, it is generally known that these professionals are exposed to body fluids and dangerous pathogens on a repeated basis while in the line of duty. MyClyns is a pen-sized device that is easy to carry, is alcohol-free, and is safe to spray in your face, including the eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. The spray contains a fast-acting solution which is non-toxic, non-flammable, and doesn't sting or burn. MyClyns is another layer of protection that should be used at the scene of an exposure. MyClyns offers a fast-acting solution with germ-killing action on contact against many types of bacteria, such as MRSA, VRSA, VRE, bacterial meningitis, and Clostridium difficile. The solution in MyClyns also offers activity against viruses, having demonstrated a reduction in HIV-1, herpes simplex 1, hepatitis C, and human and avian flu. The solution in MyClyns has also demonstrated a reduction in Mycobacterium bovis. MyClyns contains a pH-neutral, non-irritating solution of compounds that are similar to the chemicals produced in the human body in its defense against microorganisms. These compounds move through the pathogen's cells and deactivate essential enzymes and structures, rendering them non-viable. You should use MyClyns when you have been exposed to blood, saliva, vomit, coughing, urine, feces, or other bodily fluids. When an exposure has occurred, response time is critical to lower the chance of becoming infected. MyClyns should be used in situations after an exposure has occurred. When you suspect that you have been exposed to harmful pathogens, quickly remove the unit from your pocket. Next, put your thumb on the back of the MyClyns cap. Apply pressure and press forward to quickly remove the cap. Press down on the spray device a few times to prime the pump, and then begin spraying MyClyns on the exposed area. Thoroughly soak the exposed area with MyClyns until entirely covered, or until the contents are empty, and let the solution air dry. In cases where you are exposed to a heavy body fluid load, begin spraying MyClyns on the exposed area. Next, remove as much of the load as possible from the exposed area and begin spraying again until the unit has been completely emptied. Use of more than one unit may be necessary to saturate a heavy pathogenic load. MyClyns should not be used casually like a hand sanitizer or soap and water. MyClyns should be used in situations where you believe an exposure to body fluids or other serious pathogens has occurred and you need protection at the point of contact. Once the MyClyns device has been deployed, it should be discarded. In cases of exposure, you should consult the processes defined in your personal protective equipment protocols for proper disposal procedures. You should use normal procedures for cleanup or utilize all post-exposure protocols once you have completed your work. For more information on MyClyns, visit www.myclyns.com. Here you can find literature on independent laboratory testing results, training handouts, the material data safety sheet, and much more. You may also contact your regional product specialist to help with any additional questions you may have. Thank you for your attention in watching this training video. We hope this information will be helpful to you when you use MyClyns in the field. So remember, MyClyns, the only first response personal protection you can spray directly into your face.